There's our old air conditioner, about to be replaced.
Whoa!
Let me go down there, I'll put a S-slip in there and put it inside the pipe.
I think that's what they're trying to do right now. I got the other one there, you just gotta kind of wobble them and they'll pop over the... Got them through.
Really? That's great. That's great.
It'll be nice and hidden over here.
Sure beats going up over the top.
Yeah. Got the other one in. There you go.
Alright, stop right there.
Stopping.
Alright, go a little bit, Juice.
They must be reaching pretty far back. Far back in there because there's only about that much pipe sticking out from that one.
Really? Oh yeah.
Alright. Alright, you're through.
Yes. Let's go vent.
That was huge to be able to take this venting out this side of the house. It really shortened up the length that we had initially planned on doing, and a lot less elbows. So we're really happy about that. There it is. And here's the finished product. Vapor layer humidifier. Now these are the exhaust and the intake vents that we were kind of worried about. But they were able to run them up here and out that way. Now here is where it's all finished off, but they were able to get them out through here, and up above there is the block work. They were able to access that from outside. And it just worked out a lot better for us that way. A straight shot to the outside. We had one problem here. There was a can light right here where the vent is now that got in the way of the exhaust and intake vents or pipes coming through, so they had to pull that out, and I went out and picked out a sconce light and brought that in. They put that in place there and just put a vent over where the where the can light used to be, so it was awful nice of them to do that. And this is done. We'll clean up to do and we're done.